So hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So guys, this video very popular before Tuesdays. I know I am also making this video 34 minutes. I am getting 1000 like and 10,000 view. So guys, don't waste your time and quickly make this video because this video trending right now. So let's go to a start this video how to making a CapCut video editor.
So first open your TikTok application. Then I already private this sound, so I will check it here. Here this one. What you do, you can click the here CapCut free video editor. Just click and select. Okay, and you see use template. Just click this and put your any photo, two big photo. I select this one and that one. Okay, just wait some second. Loading. Okay, my loading complete. You see already. Or export from here. You can make your mobile capacity. I have 4K video. Then I am making done. Then upload direct here. I take it some time. Because my Wi-Fi is slow, so please guys. Okay. Oh no, my Wi-Fi is very slow, so please guys, just wait and loading. Come on, quickly. Aywa. Okay. First to take your hashtag, put your cover photo and post. Now I am already post, so I make this video drop and go back.
So guys, finally you know how to making this video. So I hope you enjoy my tutorial video. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, and I am making more easily edited videos. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.